Welcome students, welcome back to our maths lecture. Students, hope you all have done a revision of all the measuring units which we have studied in our previous lecture. All the units whichever we have studied need to be practiced very well by you all, so that the further measurement units which all we are going to study can be understood properly. So in our previous lecture we have covered units to measure length, in which we have covered meter into centimeters conversion, conversion of centimeters into meter, conversion of kilometers into meter, and conversion of meter into kilometer. Now today we are going to study few more units which will be helping us to measurement. These units are also very important for us. Before that, let's have a quick recap on all the units which we have studied before. So the first unit which we have studied in the previous period is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, which means whenever we convert 1 centimeter to meter, we need to multiply by 10. Next is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, means whenever we need to convert meter to centimeter, we should multiply by 100. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, means the conversion from kilometers to meter we should multiply by 1000. Now in this, centimeter is the smaller unit, meter is the bigger unit, and kilometer is the more bigger unit. So the ascending order of this unit is millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, and descending order will be vice versa, that is kilometers, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. Further we have studied 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, which means whenever millimeter is converted into centimeter, we need to divide it by 10. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, which means while converting centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, which means whenever meter is converted to kilometer, we need to divide by 1000. Now today we are going to study few more new units. The next unit is conversion of liter to milliliter. Now liter to milliliter, liter is unit used for measuring the liquid substances such as water, milk, oil. Whenever we ask the liquid substances, we use the unit as liters. The milliliter word also is denoted by small l, and milliliter is denoted by small ml. Now liter is the greater than milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Let us solve some examples to understand the conversion of liter to milliliter. Convert 5 liter into milliliter. Now 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, which means 5 liter is equal to 5 into 1000 milliliter. When we multiply 5 by 1000, we get answer as 5000 milliliter. Now next is convert 9000 milliliter into liter. Now 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 9000 milliliter is equal to 9000 divided by 1000. So when we divide 9000 by 1000, we get answer as 9. So 9 liters is the answer. Now next unit is kilogram to gram. Now kilogram to gram unit is used to measure the solid grains or substances such as food grains is measured in kilogram to gram. Kilogram to gram, kilogram is also denoted by the letter kg and gram is denoted by letter gm. Let us solve an example. How many gram is 4 kg? As we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, which means 4 kg is equal to 4 into 1000 gram. So when we multiply 4 into 1000, we will get 4000 gram. 4 kg is equal to 4000 gram. Next sum is how many gram in 1 and 3 quarter of kilogram? As we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 3 quarter is equal to half gram plus 1/4 gram. So half plus 1/4 is 3/4, that is 3 quarter of the gram. Now half of gram is 1000 gram divided by 2 and 1/4 gram is 1000 divided by 4. Why did we divide 1000? Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So half of gram is 500 gram and quarter of gram is 250 gram. If we add 500 gram and 250 gram, we get as 750 gram. So 3 quarter is 750 gram. So now 1 and 3 quarter gram we have to find out. So 1 is 1000 gram plus 750 gram. So we'll get the answer as 1750 gram. Therefore, 1 and 3/4 kg are 1750 gram. So now let us start with our word problem. One round of the walking track in a park is 250 meters long. Ajit's grandfather walks the path 4 times every morning. How many kilometers does he walk every day? Now here, one round of walking track is 250 meters, which means Ajit's grandfather walks 4 times the ground. Now 4 times the ground will be distance covered by Ajit's grandfather, that is 250 multiplied by 4. Why did we multiply by 4? Because grandfather is going to take 4 rounds. So 4 times he is going to take the round of a ground. So when we multiply 250 into 4, we will get answer as 1000 meters. Now 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. So Ajit's grandfather walks 1 kilometers every day. Next sum. If 1 liter of petrol costs rupees 70, how much will 2.5 liter of the petrol cost? Now here 1 liter is given. We have to find 2.5 liter of the petrol's cost. Now cost of 1 liter is 70 rupees. So cost of 2 liter will be 2 liters multiplied by 70. When we multiply 2 by 70, we'll get the answer as 140. Now cost of half liter is equal to half liter multiplied by 70. When we divide 70 by 2, we'll get the answer as 35. Now the cost of 2.5 liter of petrol is 140 is 1 liter's cost plus half liter is 35 rupees. So 140 plus 35 is equal to 175 rupees. Now Sonia's school is 4 kilometers 206 meters away from her house. How much distance in meters does she cover daily to go to school and come back? Now daily to go to school and come back means she will go to school, that will be 4 kilometers 206 meters, and she'll come back again, that also the measurement will be 4 kilometers and 206 meters. So now our first statement will be distance between Sonia's school and her house, that is 4 kilometers 206 meters. So distance covered by her to go to school and come back. So we will add 4 kilometers 206 meters plus 4 kilometers 206 meters. Here we have added 4 kilometers 206 meters twice because come to school and to go to back is the same measurement being used. So adding 4 kilometers 206 meters is equal to 8 kilometers 412 meters. Now we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 8 kilometer will be 8 multiplied by 1000 meter. So we will get the answer as 8000 meter. Now 8 kilometers 412 meters is equal to 8000 meter plus 412 meter. Adding together we will get the answer as 8412 meter. Therefore, the distance covered by Sonia in a day is 8412 meters. So students, hope you all have understood this lesson. So practice more sums from your textbook and workbook. Meet you soon in the next lecture. Thank you.